Juzi nimemsikia rafiki yangu akisema hivi, huwezi ukakariri wito. Translation, you cannot memorize or copy paste the call of God upon your life. And I agree with my friend. Sasa what I have seen is this, that we like to take shortcuts to stardom, shortcuts to fame. I want to warn you, dear Kenyan gospel musician, dear Kenyan worship leader, tafadhali, don't try and take a shortcut to fame and stardom. How are you doing that? Tunakopi sauti za watu mpaka mtu akisikia without seeing the video, they don't know if that was you or that was Christina Shusho or that was whichever famous musician you are trying to copy. I want you to go and study their journey. I want you to go and study what they have been through. Alafu ujue pia wewe na wewe uko na safari yako. Before you are that famous, before you are that impactful, you too will have to go through your own journey. And if the call of God is upon your life, you will not have to copy anyone. Paul only said, follow me as I follow Christ. Jesus, and I say this humorously with pun intended, Jesus said, my sheep know my voice and they follow it. Now if you're Jesus' sheep, sasa wewe kivipi unajua sauti ya musician vizuri kuliko vile unajua sauti ya Yesu? It's not good. Ni hayo tu.